Here is my Enfield number 4 Mark 1. I'm about to clean it. I have modified my Enfield number 4 Mark 1 with a target sight. That's the only modification to this. I'm not 100% sure where this weapon was made. We're going to have a look. It was made in England. 1944. I'm going to put it back there. Clamp it into position. I clamp it in this workmate, just makes life a little easier. I have a cleaning rod, as you can see, it goes all the way. This bit here cleans out the part where the round goes, and that cleans out the bore. And I'm just going to dip it in some of this cleaning fluid. It softens up the residue in the bore. I don't need too much. I'm going to run it this way first. Get some in that end. I'll put a bit more on it. And we run it down here. See? It goes in there. Now we hold on to this and we run it backwards and forwards. All the way and all the way back out again. And all the way through and all the way back. And all the way through and all the way back. And all the way through and then all the way back. And all the way through and all the way back. That cleans out everything that's in the bore. Generally what happens is when you fire off rounds, it gets a coating of propellant and a coating of what am I trying to say here? A coating of propellant and a coating of brass left over from the round going down the bore. So it leaves brass or copper, depending on what ammunition you're using. So now we take a patch. So I have some patches here. Take a patch, and you notice I put a. Oh, these are very thin patches. Put it through. Now, this is just going to take out the excess cleaning fluid. Run it down the bore and back, down the bore and back. See how black it is? Go through again. Go through and back. Going through and back. See, that's taking out all the fouling. Thicker patches here. So I'm just going to put that in there and run that through the bore. You see, that's a much tighter fit. Yeah, and back again. Oh yes, that's a good one. See, that got out a lot more. Now, there's some gun oil. I'm going to pour some gun oil on this patch. Put this down the bore. The idea of this is to clean out. Okay, I didn't need that to happen. Always check that everything's screwed together tightly. There's no biggie. Right, take that one out. Get another one. So, I learned to do this when I was 9 years old in England. in the Army Cadets. We were supposed to be 11 years old, but for some reason I got in at 9. I also got kicked out when I was 9 or 10 because I apparently couldn't behave myself, or my brother didn't want me in it. Well, I can understand that. Well, there we go. That is the bore cleaned, you see. Do this a little bit. There we go. That has cleaned the bore. Now I'm going to look down the bore. You won't be able to see what I'm doing. It has really good rifling. That is that cleaned. Now I'm going to take one of my brush here. If I can get a hold of it. I'm going to take care of my brush here. I'm going to put a little bit of oil on it, like that. And I'm going to brush the oil in the mating surfaces of where the bolt goes. Now I have the bolt in my pocket, which I'd already cleaned. Here's the bolt. Put it there. Press down the detent. Push it forward. And this is a Lee Enfield. So this cock is cocked on. See that? That's where it cocks. I'm going to hold on to that with my finger. Pull the handle. There, we have one clean. A bit more oil there. There we go. Just get some more oil there. And that is my rifle cleaned. The Enfield number 4 Mark 1. I'll take a photograph of that. Mark 4 Mark 1. Also there.